touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here, I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck?
Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. Thursday I went to I went to do my nails on Thursday, and then yesterday I went to, today's Saturday by the way, yesterday I went to install my hair, and then I wanted to get mega volume lashes, but I'm still not sure about it. I'll see, maybe sometime next week. However, you don't want to know. Oh god. Okay, so my nails are a mess because I didn't get what I wanted. However, that lady said she will fix it, so that one is sorted. And then what else do I have? Oh, I ordered some items on Bash. Yeah, on Bash, so I'm gonna show you. I already opened them because one, I wanted to wear the shoes and the bag, and then I got a bag, and then I opened it again because I wanted to see the size, and the size, let me show you. Okay, so I got this Tom Toms sneakers, and this is how they look. They are so nice. They are like cream white, grayish vibe. I don't know. I got this for how much were they? $3.99. I got this for $3.99, so they're basically 400 rand. And then yeah, I didn't get them delivered. I went to collect at the Fix. So this is what I got. They are so cute. I got them in a size 5, and I think they're selling out because I wanted a 5.5. However, I got a size 5, which is still comfortable. However, I don't think I can wear them the whole day because they are so hard here at the front. Still new, so already wore them on Friday and lovely. And then I got this bag. This is the Fushini bag. It's so nice. There's this other one that I wanted, but I think it's sold out or something. I'm not sure. It was white, like all white. I'm not sure. But this is the bag that I got. The space inside, perfect. And then it has a strap, like I think it's a crossbody bag, so you cannot make it a handbag or a purse. It wouldn't look nice. I don't think it would look nice. It was $3.79, was it? Yeah, it was $3.79. It's really nice. It's really cute. I love the color. I think I'm addicted to buying bags because I am, yeah. And then the last bag that I got, like, I don't know, I wished this was bigger because when I bought it, in my mind I wanted a work bag, but the style and the size and I cannot put a beetroot in a palette to a bag. Yeah, anyhow, this is the bag. It's from Aldo. Yes, it's from Aldo. It's so cute. Actually, I wanted a Steve Madden bag. See that pink big Steve Madden bag? That's the one that I wanted. However, it's sold out. Like, you guys are killing it. You guys have money. Jesus. So it's sold out, and I got this one from Aldo. It actually took a day to deliver this because I ordered on Thursday, and on Friday it was already there. I was like, oh, okay, that's cute. It's so nice. It's not big for a work bag, but if you do carry your lunchbox on the side, it's perfect. And then inside, it's like this. It has space, like it has lots of space. The side, and then you can make it a handbag, or you can make it a cross bag because it has this straps. It's really cute. I love it, but I still want to get the one from Steve Madden because I saw it on this other lady and it was very big. Like, it's huge. It's exactly what I had in mind. So cute. This was, how much was that? it was 1.299. So it was 1.3. I got this for 1.3. This is my first bag that is above and beyond 1,000. I don't do that. We don't play like that. Yeah, so that's my bag. And then this was supposed to be a maintenance vlog, but I ordered, you see that tripod stand from Take a Lot. However, it hasn't been delivered yet, so I couldn't really like film the whole process, just bits and parts of it. But it's fine. Today's the Saturday. I don't have a lot to do. I think I'm just gonna go make food, chill, and then I'll see later what happens. Yeah, I'll just see later what happens. So